Meaning of ghostly.
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 Ghostly. The term ghostly is typically used to describe something that is eerie, spooky, or seemingly supernatural in nature. It often connotes a sense of mystery or otherworldliness, and may evoke feelings of fear, curiosity, or awe. The word is frequently applied to describe objects or phenomena that have an ethereal or intangible quality, such as the vague outlines of a misty apparition, the flickering shadows cast by a candle flame, or the faint whispers of a disembodied voice. Ultimately, ghostly implies a sense of uncertainty or ambiguity, as if something is hovering between the realm of the living and the dead.